Okay, so here is something I whipped up off camera. Was making a charging system to go in the truck for charging my phone and anything else I might need to charge. And I hid it inside the ashtray here because I don't smoke. So the plan for this is to hide this in here as the new charger assembly. So now, when I open the glove box, or the ashtray, it's now a charger. And as an extra bonus, the power that runs through this, there's a little display that lights up right here that also registers what the alternator is charging. So I kind of have a combination. So if I ever want to know if the alternator is charging, all I got to do is open this up and look at that. Stealth mode. Let you guys see what it's doing. If I give it, well, let's just put it back up here again, I guess. Oh, it looks funny on camera. So here it is, 12.7 at a loping idle. It's not really warmed up, so it's idling pretty slow at the moment. I start giving it the gas. Suddenly we're at 14.4. And it idles around 13. And if we shut the truck off, everything goes dead. Perfecto.